Here we are inside. There's a camera connected to it up inside the head. To our left, we have the power banks, the secondary power bank, and the primary power bank, which is currently hooked up to the umbilical. So it is charging up. On the right, we have the keyboard for the optical system, which is based on the Raspberry Pi. Here is the transmission shifter. Forward makes it, puts a gear into forward, and pulling it back puts it into reverse. Here are the Waldo arms. They will probably need some tension adjustment after I see their current action. Over there we have a power strip that provides power to the optical system, both this LCD screen and the Raspberry Pi, which is on the back right there with a bunch of cool peripherals and other stuff that makes the lights blink, and eventually a sensor for telling how far the head is turned on the GUI, which is up there, but it's hard to see at the moment. Need to do some modifications to the coloring. So let's start it up. Oh, and down here, on my feet, are the steering bars. Right now, the mech is currently set to make a hard left, but by pulling this bar down and this bar forward, and it makes the mech turn right-ish. There's some sort of crazy alignment issue going on at the moment, so I don't know how that's going to work out, but we will soon find out.